Hey and welcome back to another video from C4 and Haggis. Today I'm going to show you how to get a free YouTube banner to subscribe to your channel. And this is easy. So you need to go to profounder.com and you will get the same type of banner that's on the screen just there. And you can get this completely for free, or you can add a paid option depending on what you want to use it for. And I'll run you through how to do this nice and quick. So we're going to go for the free option just first, and we'll make a test video to show you working on that video. And again, pick the options that you want to either have free or paid, with a like button, with a comment bar, and my preferred payment method would be PayPal, just because it's safe and secure. Apart from that, it's very straightforward. Let's get going and make a test one for one that I don't even have yet. And pick any random picture, or you say you don't have a picture, type in your channel name, which I'm just going to pop Bob McBobsky, just to show you it working. And if I can spell it correctly, that'd be great. Just put fun. Click on our next step. You can add a different size of the picture or make it smaller. It will be downloaded within 2 minutes, and so basically what we need to do is, I'm going to show you one that I've already made first while it is downloading in the background, which is my own personal one for my own channel. Give it a wee full screen so you can see it properly. And then, so it's still got 54 seconds to download, so we're going to open VN Video Editor, is the one I use for my videos. I am mining, so it will take a little bit to open in the background. So click on New Project, add a file from a previous video on my YouTube. You want to add your MP4 to the button underneath the text and above your main video itself. And then you get your audio file above it and line that up with the video to have the audio and video sync together. And you can pick anywhere you want your banner to be. And then from your filters on your left hand side, you want to click the one with the face on it, with the background, which looks like I'm going to say a green screen. And then you just rub it out by clicking the middle button and off you go. And then your banner should play in the background, and this should happen with any green screen that you've got there. So if you're holding a football, something like that, and you're dressed in green, you can rub yourself out and it should be fine. I'm just going to show you the one that I've downloaded quickly. I will skip to it as you've already seen me download it. Again, thanks again for watching, and I hope this helps, and good luck with your YouTube. And there's your free YouTube banner there, or your paid one, depending on what you want. All the best.